We'll be talking about the SafeStream Gigabit Multi-WAN VPN router. So this is from TP-Link. This is not a sponsored video, but for today we'll be talking about either what's the best way to use this. If here's the current setup that I have got, so I'm gonna draw. So this is the TP-Link, the TL605. Then let's want to connect to the globe. So this is my ISP1 and another ISP number 2. So this is the PLDT. So both are utilizing, and while this is connected on my switch, and the connected of the switch is connected of the Omada. So this is the Wi-Fi controller, and this one goes to AP1, AP2, access point 1, access point 2, access point number 3. So what's the current configuration? There you go. You have a current load balance, where you are adding the PLDT plus globe config. And for the failover, the globe or PLDT is working. So one is working, the other one is backup. So that's the current configuration. But in my network, I tried implementing this load balancing feature. So what happens if you have a user here and it's connected by a Wi-Fi, access point, switch, then TP-Link. If you want to access a certain website like Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, since they are connected in the cloud internet, so packet number 1 will be coming from phone to switch, this one, globe, then Facebook. Then another packet switch going to PLDT, then going to Facebook. So that's how it works. We'll add the common questions is the speed. What's the speed? We'll add up. Absolutely, since speed test is very particular with the packet structure or packet sequence, since both ISP have different network, so this one belongs to another network, this one, some of the packets might get lost or mixed. So that's why when you do a speed test or actual customer experience using load balancing, it's not that efficient, or you are already using the both ISP simultaneously, but the experience, there are some applications that are not applicable. Okay, that's why load balance is typically different kinds of scenario. For example, if you have a Zoom call, then you're utilizing the load balance, so that might experience a poor, so because of the sequence of the packets that are missing. So that's what happens when you use a load balance configuration. For the failover, you're just using a single ISP, but the other one will be standby. So in case there will be a link, no internet here, traffic will automatically divert to the ISP2 connected to the network. So both are reliability have been solved, but for the it has different scenario for the this one. That's why it is very recommended that you need to check your applications. So failover might work from you while load balance is not applicable, or vice versa. So that's the difference between failover and load balance. No, so it's more of a one side period, one side. So this is the WAN, this is the LAN of your network. This is your gateway. So the TP-Link PL is the serving gateway. So same concept, even if you have 4 ISP, 3 ISP, load balance and failover might not be good for you. So experiment on your configuration, and if you have any, if I missed out any features that you have experienced, please share it in the comment section below. I'm be willing to assist you on your setup, and this might help. So this is the TP-Link SafeStream router that I'm using here for the load balance or the failover. For me, failover is much better in my customer experience because I do a lot of streaming, uploading. So the other ISP will be just backup, just in case I need. So I just switch both ISP one at a time. For example, for this week I'm using the PLDT. On the next week I'm using the Globe. So that's how I set up my network on this load balance or failover feature of the SafeStream TLR 605 router. So if you have any comments and suggestions, please do share it in the comment section below. Willing to take it as an option. Alright? So if you haven't subscribed into this channel, we're teaching technical lessons about Wi-Fi, network, and LAN. So, yep, this is just the... By the way, I'm using end-to-end Omada in my system. On my other video, I discussed the different hardware, what AP I'm currently using, the switch. I have two switch, the PoE and the 16-port gigabit switch, because the purely PoE with 16 ports is too expensive for home use. So that's how you need also to balance if you can maintain 2 ISP. Okay, if with this setup. So that's how. See you